Hello student, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the subtotal. This is very important features in Microsoft Excel. So before I start the class, I would like to explain what is subtotal and how to use the subtotal. I am going to explain later on. So before start the class, first we define what is subtotal. The sum of total of a part of a group or column of figures as in an accounting system. Adjective somewhat less than complete, not total. Subtotal. Okay. Subtotal is the part of the total. And some examples is, suppose in the case of the subtotal function is designed for the column of data or vertical range. It is not a designed to row of data or horizontal range. For examples, when you subtotal a horizontal range using a function number of the 101 or greater, such as the subtotal 109 B2 to G2, hiding a column does not affect the subtotal. Okay, and will actually the subtotal is working with a huge amount of data. Total and subtotal comes very handily for the analyzing data, calculate the provide the subtotal command that lets you calculate the subtotal for the given data. To calculate the subtotal, you need to do the following. So you all of you see, I am showing you with the example. See, I already made. See, here is the zone product and sales is there, and see the zone is A, B, C and D also. See, I am showing you. See, so suppose these are the zones A zone, B zone, and C and D. And here the products are there. Suppose product 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. See, these are the product. So, and these are the sales amount. I am written the sales amount. And after this, suppose I want to. These are the sales amount. Suppose I want to define or explain with the zone wise. Suppose these are the part of the A zone like this up to, and after this I want to define the total of A zone sales amount. Next is the B zone. Suppose these are the B zone amount. The total, what is the total of B zone amount, sales amount, like this. So let's start the today's class. So first, before use the subtotal, first you use some formula like this. First, you all of you write equal to sign. You all of you know equal to sign is compulsory, because without the compulsory it not be possible to write the any programs in Microsoft Excel. This is very simple. Okay, so first you all of you write subtotal like this. Subtotal I am written. Then see, when you are typing like this, again I am showing you. Suppose first equal to, then sub. When you write the sub, then subtotal is automatically becomes okay like this. See, this is the subtotal. Okay, so I am writing here. So if you want, then you simply click there. Okay, then just write open bracket, first bracket open. So when you open the first bracket, there are many functions is visible. So from there, just you select the 9, because I want to add this all the numbers. See, here is the number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this up to 10, 11, then 101, 102. It is there. Means the 1 is a sign for average, 2 is a sign for the count, 3 is a sign for count A, like this. So we all are one to add these numbers. So just simply you all of you type equal to, then subtotal, then you select from there 9, just you double click. Okay, so you see here's a subtotal, then bracket open, here the function number, then comma, then the reference. So we are written the subtotal and the function is the 9, means so which functions I use. Again I am repeating. See, these all are the functions. Okay, average, count, maximum, these all are the functions, right? So I am going to using the 9 number, the sum. Then after this the comma, because you see it is there, the function name is there, just you use the comma option, comma like this. And the reference are there, reference 1, reference 2, reference. How many references required, then you write the number of reference. Okay, so here you all of you see I am written here the zone A to D zone is there. So there are the not one or two, many references are there. Then you select the your data range. Suppose I am selecting here, say starting from the F6, like this. You just you drag like this simply up to F26. Okay, then the bracket close the bracket, then press the enter button from the keyboard. It is simply okay. So all of you keep in mind, when you want to display the subtotal, the first very beginning, okay, equal to sign is there. Equal to, without the equal to not be possible to add the numbers in all. Okay, so first equal to sign is a compulsory. Then after this subtotal, then you select the any functions. Okay, there, because in the sub functions are there, many functions are there inside the subtotal. I'm written select the sum. I need to sum, so I'm selected there from the functions. I select the 9, then comma, then reference. See, I reference I already select. See, the reference are there. Then the press the enter button from the keyboard. See, see these are the funds. Subtotal is there. See, the subtotal is the 31500. Okay, so these are the subtotal. And suppose that you want to add the number. Suppose. Then suppose I am writing here equal to sum, first bracket. Then you select all the data range like C. Okay, then the bracket close, then the press enter button. You see all of you, subtotal and the total, the both calculation is the equal. Okay, so I show you, here is the sum functions I am used, sum function, and here is the subtotal. Okay, both the calculation part, I calculate the whole the numbers, I calculate the whole numbers. But suppose I very beginning of class I already told you. So with this is the the function of the subtotal. It is display the zone wise. A zone, what is the sale amount? B zone. Okay, but you all of you see here is the subtotal of sum. The function is same. So we are going to apply the subtotal. How to apply the formula? First you select the whole like this. You select, okay, then you go to the data option like this, data option, then click to subtotal, then click to yes. So suppose here the zone, then your subtotal window is visible. Then from there you select your as per your requirement. Suppose your requirement is, suppose that the at each zone you select the zone or product or sale, whatever as per your requirement you select from the subtotal. Okay, so you select the as per your requirement. Okay, see like this I am select from the zone, and the use function is the sum, and the add subtotal. See here the sales is there. So then after this, if you want to, then you will change it, no issue. Suppose, but I want to display the zone wise and the sale amount. It is the sale amount, then click to OK. Then student, all of you see here the functions is there. So what is the function of all? See, okay, see here is the A. This is the subtotal of A. C, the subtotal of B. Okay, subtotal of C, add the subtotal of D and subtotal of grand total, means this sum and the plus actually this one. Okay, so this is the one example. So using this you display the subtotal like this, and then you see all of your second examples is there. I'm going to explain the second example, and this is the first example. Okay, in the second example, let's explain the second example. So in the case of the second example, just little bit I change. Okay, I little bit change here. See what is the change here. See, I am applying here the some more functions are there. Means like this filter options I am going to apply side by side. And the third examples is also I explain the third examples related of the subtotal. Okay. Okay. The first examples is the complete. I hope you all of you understood. Okay, then let's explain the second example. See, I'm written here the product is there: apple, mango, banana, orange and grapes. Here is the quantity is there and the rate is there, and the amount you all of you know how to display the amount. Okay, again I'm showing you. See, first you select this all, then I delete. See, equal to function is there, quantity into rate. Okay, quantity into rate, then press enter button, then you select. Okay, then the control R. Okay, then total is there. See the total, you all of you know how quantity, what is the quantity total. Okay, and the rate total and the amount is total. I am going to calculate, so all of you know, because it is very simple. Equal to sum like this, then the bracket the open, then the bracket close, then the press enter button, then the select rest one. Okay, to see finally you are complete the total. Okay, then we're going to apply the filter option. Just to select, then here this is the filter option. Click there, you see the filter option is visible here. Okay, filter option. Okay, like this, the all the details it is contained inside the filter. When you apply the filter, like this type of sub menus appear on the selected row or column, selected column. Okay, so see, suppose from there I want to display the only suppose banana grabs in all, but apple is not required. Just remove it, deactivate actually, then click to OK. You see the rest is coming, but you see here is the some differences there. Again I am showing you. See, remember here is a 50 is there, 560 here is the 560. But when I removing the any item from the list, see, let's check it is change or not. See, suppose I am removing the apple, then click to OK. See, but the total is the same, right? But the total is same, it is not changing. But from there, I I remove the apple, right? See, you all of you add 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30 and 10, 40. But the 10 is extra, like see. Okay, so now in this case, you use the subtotal option. Okay, understood. Again, I am showing you. See, from there, suppose I not required the apple, then remove it. So before removing, you see all of your total is there. Here the 50 is there. See, let's check if I remove the 10. Suppose apple is not required, then the remove it. See, apple is not here, right? In the product list, the apple is not there. But just see the total is 50, then as usual 50. It is not remaining change. So in this case, you require the okay, in this case we require the subtotal. So you see, select like this and then click to subtotal. Okay, amount is there, suppose amount and the product, then the click to OK. So all of you see, let's check. Okay, apple the amount is the 220. See, the mangoes total 60, bananas is the 30. Yeah, banana is the 30, right? See, and the orange the 150, grabs the 100 and the grand total. Okay, grabs the total is 100. The total is here. Here you see same total and grand total. Actually, the total grand total. Okay, and one more things is here. Suppose we need not require the total actually. See, select like this. Like this. You see, it is okay. Grand total. Okay, grand total is here. So see, one if you not require the apple, you see. Let's check. Okay. Now you see here is the changing is there. Amount you all of you check here. First you see here you see the total is there. We are applying the total. Actually it is calculating. Okay, see here is a 1020, right? But suppose I am removing the any item. Suppose I am see all of you 1020. And you remove the apple. Then you see here is the 800 is there, right? So in this way you apply. Why it is activated and rest all are not working? Because from there you select the amount actually. Okay, so amount if you use to quantity like this, because it is the calculating part is the amount is calculating part, so it is applying. Okay, grand total. Okay, so this is the second example. Again I am showing you. See, I removing these all functions. See, like this you remove. See, it is completed calculating all of calculation part. See, select like this, filter. Okay, suppose from there I not require the apple, you remove the apple. See, okay, total is the 560. Okay, 560, you see all of you. No remaining not change here actually is the total, right? 560 is the grand total is there. Suppose your apple is not required. See, click to OK. 560 means the total is same, but the product is less. So in this case, we require the subtotal. Like this, just to simply select like this. Just click to subtotal. Okay. Then click to product is there. Okay. Then OK. You see the 1020. The grand total is there. Okay. To including the total actually. Okay. And if you want to change like this, remove to all. Then select and click to OK. It is adding the total actually it is adding 1020. If you select the total actually and it is 1520, but we not add the total. Okay, then you remove it. So up to the product. This is the product is there. Okay, then you subtotal. Use the subtotal option. Okay, 1020. Suppose apple is not required, just remove it. See 1020. Okay, see is the 800, right? Apple is you see the amount is here the 0 because you're not required to apple like this. So this is the use of actually the subtotal. So next third examples I'm going to explain. In the case of the third examples, there is a very important third examples is very important. Let's check the examples is there. So see I am written here and I already calculate, but I removing it this one. This one I removing because I want to show you. See, select like this. Okay, I'm using the auto sum function. You select like this. Auto sum again. It is very easy because you all of you know. Okay, like this. Okay, and see the subtotal. So I already show you in the previous example 1 and example 2 the subtotal I already explained. But there are any more way to display the subtotal option. So let's see, I am showing you. First examples is the equal to, then the sum, then the bracket open. Okay, the bracket open, then you select the datas, the whole the datas. See the datas I am selecting. See the datas. Select. Wait, the four examples, the first examples I am showing you. Suppose the total, you just select the total. First one, comma, the second total, comma, and third total. Then the bracket close, then the press the enter button. Okay, select total. And the second example, see this is the first one is the subtotal. Let's check it is correct or not. Okay, understood. Here I am select the total. Just see it is the formula is there. The next examples how to use the subtotal. Sum actually sum first packet. Then the select the whole data range like this up to data range. And the bracket closed and divided by 2. See the details same it is coming. Okay. See. Actually, we are not applying the date subtotal from the subtotal option, right? It is the one more examples to how to calculate the subtotal without the using the data's tab. Okay, without the using the data tab. In the example 1 and example 2, I already explained how to explain the subtotal, but the third examples I am showing you how to use in the shortcut way, right? It is the shortcut way. Again I am showing you the second one because the first one you all of you understood. The first one you use the formula only equal to sum the first bracket, then you select only the total. But the second examples I am showing you first bracket, then you will use the sum, then the bracket open, then you select the data range like this. You select the data range like this, select, then the bracket close, then divided by 2, then press the enter button. You all of you click, the answer is the same actually. So this is the examples of the subtotal, how to use a subtotal. Rest the second next examples again I am showing you related of the subtotal, how to apply the subtotal. See the example 1 and example 2 I already explained the from the data to subtotal, and the third examples I already show you without the subtotal, means that clicking the subtotal, without clicking the subtotal you display the total option. The next one I am going to explain. See for example from the total. See suppose, see I am writing here, suppose this is paste. Okay, like this you select the second one like this, and the third one is the Sony. Just to select like this B, right? Then I am using here the total. Okay, sum function using the first equal to, then sum first bracket. Okay, starting from there. Okay, because the value is there. The next thing equal to sum first bracket, then the select like this, then the bracket close, then the press enter button. You all click, see the same is there. Next we are going to apply the subtotal. You see, just to select the whole the data range, click to subtotal. Wait, just select like this, click to whole data range. Okay, because you just to select the this one. I'm selecting. Okay, remaining or remaining actually we are calculating. Okay, then you see all of your remaining is there. It is visible. Some. Okay, like this. So this is the use of the subtotal. Okay, here you use the product actually spend or remaining whatever you require. Otherwise spend whatever as per your requirement. Okay, so this is the use of the subtotal option. Okay, so all of your practice and you go through it. The three examples I already show you. The first one without the using the subtotal, the last one, the first one I show you. See the zone wise. See, it is the subtotal functions. Second one, the third one, and fourth one. Okay. So this is the subtotal is there. The first one using the subtotal function. The second one also I show you here using the filter option. The third one without the using the this subtotal option using the formula. Okay, there are the three categories I already show you how to use a subtotal, right? So I hope all of you understood. All of you go through it and practice it. Okay, thank you all of you. Bye.